Do you want to know exactly what to do before selling your house? Let's talk about that. If this is your first time on my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Jaden May. I'm a real estate agent with Keller Williams here in the Houston, Texas area. So if you like this video and want to see more, be sure to give it a like and subscribe while you're down there as well. From cleaning to repainting, depersonalizing, here's 7 things you can do before listing your home. Number 1, find a listing agent. Now to start this one off, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't recommend hiring a listing agent like myself. Having a listing agent will do all the hard work for you and bring your workload to almost nothing. Now your agent, they should give you a fully mapped out plan of how they plan to sell your home. I have a video on some questions you should ask your agent. You can check that out right here. Now number 2 is a weird one and it always misses people's lists. It's buying more light bulbs. When you're showing your house to potential buyers, the lights are all going to be on, right? For this reason, it's important to keep some extra light bulbs just in case you run out and fix all the ones that are out. Number 3, give your house a deep clean. First impressions mean a lot. So if it feels like it smells, if it's dirty, if the carpet's stained, if it's just messy in general, that's not a good first impression for a potential buyer, right? Before listing your home and throughout the selling process, you should be sure to keep the home clean. This means cleaning toilets, wiping down windows, wiping down ceiling fans. You know how to clean. I'm not going to tell you how to clean. But just make sure to give it a deep clean. Maybe even consider calling in a house cleaner, get a carpet cleaner, just make it look nice and neat. Make sure your house is in pristine condition. So when a buyer walks in, they see, wow, I can imagine myself living here. Number 4, decluttering your home. Decluttering and organizing will go a long way when appealing to potential buyers. When the home is nice and neat, the buyers are actually able to focus on the home itself instead of the junk and the closets overflowing. When selling your home, you might want to consider putting away those personalized objects. This means putting away your family photos, bulletin boards, calendars, photo albums, magazines, anything of that nature. You should leave a nice few photos around just to make it more appealing and inviting and just more lived in. Next, we should probably get those walls looking fresh, right? You can start by painting over those 70 colors, bright green, bright orange walls, and you can stick to any whites, light grays, or even beige colors. These shades will make your home appear brighter, bigger, and more welcoming. Now these next 2 steps are for people that want to go the route of selling their home on their own. So first, you should stage your home. According to multiple studies, staging your home actually makes it sell faster and for more money. It actually allows potential buyers to envision themselves actually living in your property. Fortunately for you guys, staging your home is actually more affordable than you guys think. Don't forget to mess with the landscaping and your home's curb appeal. Make sure the grass is cut and make sure the landscaping is presentable. After all, the outside is the first thing a potential buyer sees. And if the outside of your house is looking a little run down, consider adding a fresh coat of paint. Next, you should hire a professional photographer. What's the first thing buyers see when looking for a home? Pictures. Given that many potential buyers actually search for their homes online, without excellent, high quality, beautiful photos, buyers may overlook your home. Keep in mind, if you're working with a good real estate agent, they should provide you a professional photographer. So that should also be another question to add when interviewing for an agent. I hope this video gave you some helpful tips. If you guys are moving to Houston and need some help, you can give me a call, text, or email here. All my description is always in the description below. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can do it right here. I really appreciate that. I'll give you a follow right back. Thank you all for watching. I love making these videos. And as always, stay safe, keep grinding, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.